Are you feeling bloated or tired? Your body might need a cleanse. You wash your face, you clean your house. But what about your insides? In today's world, your body is bombarded with hidden toxins, pesticides and plastics, fragrances, and even more. Even though your body is built to detox, modern life often pushes it way past what it was designed to do. Hi, I'm Brenda Watson. After 30 years in gut health, I can tell you this. When your organs of detoxification get overwhelmed, your body sends signals like bloating, brain fog, breakouts, and fatigue. In this video, I'll walk you through a safe, natural, 3-step approach to cleansing that gently supports your body's natural detox pathways, gets your gut back in balance, and helps you feel lighter, clearer, and more energized from the inside out. Let's start with why this matters more than ever. Every single day, we're exposed to chemicals in our food, air, water, even in personal care products. Globally, there are about 350,000 registered man-made chemicals, yet only a small fraction have been tested for long-term safety. Many of these chemicals are already inside our bodies, even in newborns. In fact, the CDC has found PFAS, the so-called forever chemicals, in the blood of 97% of Americans. This toxic load builds slowly over time. It comes from pesticides, heavy metals, plasticizers, and microplastics from food packaging, chlorine, and forever chemicals in tap water, fragrances in candles, lotions, even our shampoo, and now EMFs, the electric and magnetic fields that are emitted from phones, Wi-Fi, and smart devices. They add stress to your cells too. Here's the thing, your liver, colon, kidneys, lungs, and skin were never designed for this kind of chemical storm. And over time, all this toxic buildup can wear your system down. After helping thousands of people in my clinics and healing myself from toxin-related illness, I've come to recognize what I call the toxic trio. 3 root problems I see again and again. The first, toxic overload. Your detoxifying organs, especially your liver and colon, get backed up. Toxins stay stuck instead of being safely removed. Second, loss of microbial diversity. This one's huge. Your gut is meant to be a rich rainforest of good bacteria that support digestion, immunity, and even detoxification. But thanks to antibiotics, NSAIDs, processed low-fiber diets, cesarean births, and formula feeding, over-sanitized environments, lack of outdoor exposure, and chronic stress and aging, we're losing those protective strains of probiotics fast. And when probiotic diversity drops, the bad bugs take over, and that makes it harder for your gut to stay balanced and assist with detox. One study that hit me hard looked at the Hadza tribe in Africa. These hunter-gatherers have some of the most diverse gut microbiome on the planet. They eat around 50 grams of fiber a day and have virtually no colon issues, no cancer, no diverticulitis, nothing. The third root problem in the toxic trio is leaky gut. When your gut lining gets damaged, lipopolysaccharide, or LPS for short, can slip into your bloodstream. It's a toxin that certain gut bacteria make, and once it's in your blood, it sets off inflammation. It drains your energy, and it can trigger immune imbalances. And here's the kicker. These 3 problems feed each other. Low probiotic diversity weakens your gut lining. A weak gut lining lets toxins in, and those toxins burden your detox organs even more, especially the liver. Now, maybe you've heard your body detoxifies naturally. And yes, it does, but that doesn't mean it's working efficiently. So how do you know if your detox pathways need support? You might notice tiredness or brain fog, constipation or sluggish digestion, puffiness or water retention, obesity, hormonal shifts or mood swings, maybe breakouts, rashes, or skin sensitivity. Do any of these sound like you? It might be time to try a real natural cleanse. Stay tuned for part 2 of this cleansing and detox video on my 3-step approach to get your body back on track so you feel lighter, clearer, and more energized. For my free guide to natural cleansing, download my whole body meal plan and lifestyle guide. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next video.